Porto number 1, Sobera,
second quarter,
basket.
Biran versus Alog.
Jesus. Datang score, Iburan. Number 3, Nupik. Number 2 to number 8, Sobera. Waray, number 34. May ada foul. Committed by number 8, Jess Paramitsa. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Number 16, Sobera.
Nice.
Hello. Jess Ocho. Number 1, in and out. Number 34. And the shoot. Nakuha ni Wane. 6 minutos, 24 segundos. Number 16 to number 3, Waray. Nakuha. Madikan number 1, nagtukan 34, madikan 12 sa ilalim. Kaya ada foul, committed by number.
Sister Tintat karena.
Perangkaran number 12, Waray.
Thank you. Sial. Salamat.
Libre nga pag-chat ka ba? Berkompensyon
Champion kamu? Po.
Basket. Okay na ulit sa institution. 5 minutes and 50.
Ulong ka pa. Pero kita sigurado na.
1A!
Yes.
Oh, napag-indoro yung mga ito. 5 minutes and 40. On sa Gis, itatang score.
Foul.
Arroyo, 11.
For support. Nice.
Basket.
Put back by number 13.
SLC.
Padulyo.
Labaw at Alok. And the points.
Adio.
Then the shoot.
Awili. Ubaldo.
Number 1.
Yes.
Para yung mga score. 3C.
Close fight.
5 minutes. Sige. Number 16. Then the shoot. 4 minutes and 50.
3 points.
Number 3. Waray. For the shoot. In the shoot. By the foul. All there. 34. Blocking foul. Substitution. Siburan. 4 minutos, 40 segundos. Rayon 13, tatang score. Waray. Nakuha ni Tertubur. Abang Kantuan. At ang 28. Walang yapon sa lalim.
Prabili.
May ada offensive foul. Committed by number 28. Offensive. Number 8. Number 8 to number 16. 15 to shot. Number 3.
Basket.
May ada foul. Committed by number. Basket down. Foul number 16. Pushing foul. Bonus shot by number 3. Number 3.
Bonus.
Basket.
Good.
Score. This is Ice Crisi. Alok. Number 16 to number 28. Number diretso. May kasamang foul. Committed by number
Makatumbas.
21. Minutes and 25 seconds.
Foul.
Earning for penalty. Number 16, blocking and 30 seconds. Number 16 to number 31, kamera ng Chris. Waray, number 16. 3 minutes and 20. Traveling. Total score, 13-16. Nasa lagabang. Number 24.
Pinasa.
Kahit ako.
Pinasa sa labas.
3 minutes and 10.
Tara nila.
Magtukan 21. Nakuha ni number 1. Balik ka number 16. Number 16, balik ka number Tomera, Galagapon, nag-pick. Tomera, Waray. Nakuha number 16.
Traveling.
Mayara Traveling. By number 16.
Kick
Goal by number 20. Number 18. Number 18 to number 16. 5 minutes and 9. Number 18, Tomera. Bayana foul. Committed by number 34. Blocking foul. Penalty. Substitution. Iburan. Waray. Waray lagi apon. Ako ay Lotso. 2 minutes. Nalikat 91. Numero derecho. Tapos.
Alok ball.
Position. Nalihiton. Alok.
Alok ball.
Number 3, tumira ng Chris. Waray. Nakuha ng 34. 1 minute and 20. Halika number 16 to number 31. May outside. 1 minute and 15. Number 16. Number 18. Sige. Dominic, Tomera. Aha. May offensive foul committed by number 16. Elbow. 1 minute. 50 na bisikleta. Seconds to play. 15 to shoot. 53 seconds. 50.
Skip.
All. Committed by number 19-13.
Is good. 19-13.
45 seconds. 40.
Stepping. Alok ball.
36. Number 3, 30 seconds. 15 to shoot. 25.
Yes.
Points.
Points.
20 seconds.
20 seconds. Second quarter.
15. 10. 5. Score. 21-13. Alok.
21-13. Alok. That's the end of second quarter.